What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Educated Barfly. Today I am going to make for you a cocktail called a Florentine. There's not a lot of history on this. The Florentine was created in 2017 by Sam Ross for his bar Attaboy. If you guys don't know what Attaboy is, it's a New York bar that took over the old Milk and Honey space when Milk and Honey moved. So there was a bit before Sasha Petrosky passed away where they moved Milk and Honey, and then Sam Ross, who is one of the ex-bartenders of Milk and Honey, opened up a new bar called Attaboy in there. Cool, let's get into it. It's gonna be a real easy one. Really nice, equal parts, low ABV cocktail. So first we're gonna do 1 ounce of dry vermouth. One ounce of Cocchi Americano. And 1 ounce of Cynar. I thought of doing this cocktail a lot also because people have been asking me what to do with Cynar, so I want to do like a bunch of Cynar episodes so that you guys know what to do with your bottle. I got a pretty big 1 liter bottle here, so I'll be helped from that to use it up as well. And I'm using a big hand-cut piece of ice today because I'm awesome, and you should hand-cut your ice as well. We're just going to add that into our rocks glass, and we're going to stir. Now, because this is low ABV, you know, the dilution kind of rate kind of is up to you. You know, ice is going to sit here and it's going to dilute anyway as you drink. So really, you can kind of choose how much you want to stir. I like to just make sure that the cocktail is taken down to temperature and you got the right amount of dilution. I tend to drink a little bit faster anyway, but you don't really need to take the edge off like an old fashioned where you have high proof spirits and it's really, you know, kind of a high ABV cocktail. So you don't have to worry too much about that. Anyway, just give it a stir, bring it down to just properly chill it. My phone is buzzing and I'm gonna silence it even though it's on vibrate. I probably should have silenced it completely. You guys will forgive me though, because you love me. And we're gonna just garnish with an orange twist. There you have it, the Florentine. Now let's taste it and see how it goes. This is really, what's great is that it's a low ABV cocktail, but it's really complex in flavor. The Cynar plays very well with the Cocchi Americano, and the dry vermouth really dries it out and gives it like a little bit much more approachable and dry. This is a really nice brunch cocktail, something that you could drink. It's sessionable, you know, it's a session cocktail. It's low in ABV, but really, really satisfying on the palate. So make it at home, and I'll see you next time.